Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and if your bumper looks like this, there is a simple repair that you can do as long as you have some space here and the fender under it is also flat where it meets up. So all we have to do is come in here with a drill and drill up into the fender. Of course, wear your safety glasses and make sure that you're safe doing that, and watch for wiring. You don't want to drill into any wiring. And now just take a Sharpie and you're going to put it down in the hole that you just drilled out in the fender. And as you bring the bumper in, you can paint a hole. So see how the tip of the Sharpie pokes out like that? So what I would suggest as well is as you put the Sharpie down in there, turn it around and move it so it makes a nice dot like that. Now you know exactly where to drill. So we're just using the same drill from the top now. And with the two holes, they'll line up. We're just going to get this kit I got from Harbor Freight, just a nut and bolt kit. Very simple. Put the bolt down in, tighten the nut back up, and you have a very good looking bumper. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and please check the video description. I have a whole bunch of playlists with videos that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.